Master project cost management and make decisions that speak of your expertise and capability in keeping projects within budget and on time. This video offers you implementable tips to square the circle of costs. Tip 1. Always design a project budget and a cost management dashboard to get clarity and control over your finances. This is what your dashboard should look like to be on top of your game. We recommend using this presentation as your go-to resource to bring these tips into action. Tip 2. You must create a work breakdown structure for a top-down look at your project and break it into tasks and subtasks. A WBS layout like this can define a detailed cost or time estimate and guide schedule development and control. Tip 3. The correct cost estimation technique for your project depends on the type and phase of the project. Use this graphic to decide your technique. For instance, if you have worked on a similar project in the past, the analogous estimating technique is preferable. It uses information from a similar past project to estimate the cost and duration. Tip 4. An ideal cost management process includes 4 stages for practical comparative analysis: resource planning, cost estimation, cost budgeting, and cost control. If you find it challenging to present such information to your team in a structured manner, we suggest downloading these editable templates. Tip 5. You must do a cost-benefit analysis to parse out your project's ROI. A template like this can help your project execution be more data-driven and logical, finding hidden costs and discovering benefits. Tip 6. Never ignore a detailed budget that considers estimated time, materials, required budget, experience, and variance. Activities that exhibit variance are scope development, project planning, market research, task scheduling, and so on. Follow these tips or use this PowerPoint presentation to ensure you stick to the budget and cut costs at every possible instance. For more details, click on the link or visit www.slideteam.net.